Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past week or so broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Doing this to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very nice price movement today. So I want to get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk areas of resistance. Two key areas of support that really stand out. First one is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above this green line here, which is valued at $2.20. This was the bottom of this consolidation period right here. Now, again, this is not like a must hold, so I'm not saying that if the price falls below it, then the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Not saying that at all, but again, if the price could manage to stay above it, that would be a great sign of power going forward. And the next key overall level is not until way down there, but like I said, I just want to talk about these overall levels. And this is definitely a must-hold level, and that's at $1.87, because in the event the price, if it were not able to hold above here, then that's essentially putting the price back down in no man's land down around this area of the chart. But the good news is this level is really far off from where the price is right now. But again, I just want to talk about more so these overall levels. So as far as big picture levels of support, $2.20, that near term one, and then that big picture must hold level down there at $1.87. What about areas of resistance? For this, I'm going to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. And really the key level right now, I think, is where it was rejected today, but I'm just doing the eyeball test. Nope, not quite. Right up there at $2.40. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see that the area right here at $2.40 knocked down the price. You fast forward to today. Like I said, did temporarily break up above that area, but $2.40 is definitely that key level of resistance going forward to keep an eye on. So all in all, $2.40, that near-term level of resistance, but I'm just going to talk about one reason for that being, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really the top priority. Top priority, in my opinion, is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the rest of the chart will take care of itself, and part of quote-unquote taking care of itself is going to be breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building higher lows, and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.